Should've seen the way that you bloom. I think I saw your face in the moon.
Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video, I'm in my car because we are at my job taking a on and off kind of break because we are outside. We got relocated and I wanted to go ahead and share with you guys my first real good project completed and how it was for me and what was the struggle, what was my experience dealing with my first clients and all that going on. So I'm gonna pretty much talking to you about my first website design and share with my experience with you guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And if you guys are new, my name is Vidy. We're gonna be which this channel is gonna be about graphic design, anything about graphic design, digital design, whatever it is. This is the channel. So let's get to it. So it might look a little bit crooked, the camera, but making it work. So I'm gonna be sharing you guys on my computer screen and explain to you guys what I've done to the website. So I've just completed my first website. I need to get started on a next website for an employee here at my job. He's shaking, stop shaking. Sorry guys, I might annoyed you. And so let's see. So we're gonna go to my files where it says Vidy designs, and then I'm gonna show you guys the website as well on the what I had. So like this was literally like from scratch. I went over to XD, Adobe XD. Right there I was able to make a web design. So you guys need to learn the difference about web design and web designer because this is my first time and this is something I learned on my own. As now I'm being taught this at school as of this now new month, because every month we have a new module in my school, and I taught myself everything from YouTube videos, from researching websites, examples of people's websites, and all that sorts of stuff. So here we are. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on the Clement, which is assurance security website, and I'll show you guys how I set this all up. So my computer's gonna die, so I'm gonna be quickly sharing you with this. Let me see if I could just put this, just leave it like that. Okay, so as you can see, there's so many, oh my gosh, there's so many of them. Maps, pretty much, like, oh my gosh. So these are all the artboards. We have all, these are all the artboards total in here. So that's like, looks like 20 artboards here, and this is just for one website. But why is this different? This is considered a lot of money because it's cheaper if you just do one page of a website, scrolling style, vertical going on, you know what I mean. And this one isn't, because when I do the prototype, this is design, this is just to show you the design, edit design. But when I click prototype, it has a map going on, as you can see, a map consistence that goes connecting to do some action buttons to navigate throughout the whole area. Same as here for website. I also had that for a section here in the website, and I'll show you guys when I have the website done now. As you can see, ignore that, sorry. I have now assurance info. Let's see if I'm connected to the Wi-Fi for the one in here. So let's go there, sign in. Oh shoot, oh no, I guess not. So I'll show you guys the one over here in prototype, and then I'll show you guys the final results on the website. So as you can see, this is the internet prototype. This is what it should have looked at, but there is difficulties when installing this because he had WordPress. WordPress is like a connection plugin in a sense, or like that helps design your website. It's WordPress company that, and there's like Spotify, other places that help customize your websites and all that going on. So I completely customized this whole area, but I had to redo it all over it and customize what the WordPress allows on the layouts. And then I had a copy and paste of my design. Luckily I had a good job, as yes, I would consider still making a design, web design, because it's your map, your what's going to be like before you even bother to even design it. And then you be able to at least, like, if you go here, You have your colors, your characters saved for what is the main characters for here, which is like the fonts, colors, and the sizes. As you can see, I had a good amount. And then here are my components, all the components here. I got a lot of components here as well. And colors is very great because then you can just copy and then paste the color to the website, as I will show you guys when I get the chance to do so. But I have 4% of my computer, so let me go ahead and see if I can even turn on the hotspot, because that's my issue here. I don't have a hotspot here. So let's see. So I mean, let me go ahead and tell you guys, I wished I knew what was a difference as a web designer and a web developer. Web developers, people who focus on just developing the website onto the main website worldwide, you know what I mean? Like, okay, I did the web design, there it is, there's my web design, but now I gotta file it or export it. But what I did is to export it, I exported it making a coding shortcut, which we do have plugins here. That's where you go to plugins over here, and I have Anima. Anima lets me just select all of these, which allows me to go ahead and export the code, and it will like take me to a website, and from that website I could test it out on live of a website before I even bothered to do so. So I did that. Then I download the file, which it downloads the coding, downloads everything like the photos and stuff, and the colors and sizes, that you could go ahead and put those things in coding into copy and paste the coding into the section coding for sections of the website of the layouts, because you click on each piece of the layout to pretty much complete the puzzle of the layout of the website, how it's going to be like. So you customize your design still, regardless however you do it. So I had to learn that myself completely. I went on YouTube, I had to learn all of that. I keep giving this thing pop out, and I end up having to do a file. So this is what my file looked like, because I wasn't even sure where am I at. So as you can see, I have it under his name. I have this under website, and this is what the website's gonna look like when I have it downloaded. Has the about the HTML, all of the HTML files, which is the coding, and then it has the fonts, which I don't have any fonts in there. There's the CSS to help navigate, move things around, into involvement with it, and the IMG, which is the photos. So as you can see, everything's all there. And then I would just come over here to this place, and I would just go ahead and do the shortcuts on coloring, all that going on, while I quickly go ahead and get onto the website. But I'm gonna end this here. I'll get back with you for the results. Okay, so you guys can see it is completely different in this website I'm showing you right now. The results, this is live website. As I'm showing you on the website, you can see the link if you want to go ahead and check it out. Maybe support the company, and who knows, you need security, go ahead and check it out. But this is what it's about. It's an assurance security website, and you might hear some chirps behind me because I'm at work outside. But I've done a lot of the testing. As you can see, I put in all of the things that needed, at least menu header, and made sure I updated his job application, because he did not have the opportunity of a job application for people to apply on the website. It would be like a PDF document, needed to download it, print it, and then turn it in person. But he needed a new update, and I helped create a custom application, and a lot of it came in with the WordPress. I couldn't really customize it a lot on my own. This is my first time doing a web development with WordPress. So what it is like you're pretty much at a website. You log into that WordPress account website, and it's just customizing the way it is being set up of just the layouts, just the fonts. They have their availability. I have not gotten around it to be able to fix, as you can see, some of the paragraphs are too spread out. but it would connect with everything else around the website. Like if I did it too spread out, the paragraph, it will look too spread out as well for the bottom of the, as right here in the footer. It's spread out as well, the spacing between it. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll be seeing you guys on my next video.